The Documents module acts as a shared folder that stores documents frequently utilized by users in your organization. Files such as catalogs, presentations, templates, logos, or images can be saved here. Uploading a video file is not recommended. To add a new folder, let's click on the plus icon. The new folder appears here, under your account name. To create a subfolder, select the main folder in which you want to add a subfolder. Then click on the plus icon. To delete a folder, ensure that the correct folder is selected. Then click on the garbage bin icon. Once created, folders cannot be moved, renamed, or modified within CentrixOne. To add a new document, ensure the folder where you want your document to be saved is selected. And then click on the Add Document button. Most image type files and PDF documents can be viewed within CentrixOne without having to download them. To do so, click on the eye icon that appears when hovering over the document. Here we also have the option to download or delete this document. Multiple documents can be selected with the checkbox on the upper right-hand corner to be deleted in one batch. When creating an email in CentrixOne's integrated email module, files uploaded in the Documents module can be easily linked within the email. To learn more, visit CentrixOne's Academy or talk to us for a demo or further training.